Okay guys, dumating na for our unboxing ang ating, not this one, ang ating Leatherman Wave, which I plan to be an everyday carry. So from Leatherman UAE. It was ordered yesterday and it came today. So, napakabilis. So, this is it. Time Express. Shout out to them. Very fast delivery. And I have a Leatherman Micra in heritage model, which was also ordered yesterday, pero walang movement sa. Okay, so let's throw this. This is it, the Leatherman Wave Plus. May bagong box. So, walang dents yung box. This is comparable to the Surge, but it is smaller and have some, let's say, ilang difference sa mga tools na nakakabit. So, the Leatherman mat was in a blister pack and it's in a box. Ito, I don't want to damage the packaging, katulad ng ginawa ko sa isa that was destroyed. Soon I'll have a review of this nga pala, so tune in. If you want, you can subscribe for more contents. So ito siya. So this is for display sa mga stores. But it has to be folded. So I should have gone sa bottom, so I can access this. I'll just tape it back. I'll put the warranty inside. Nah, not the warranty, I mean, yeah. The thing with the Leatherman is that they have international warranties. Well, depende sa mga countries pala. So, it came with the this one, and nasa likod etong sheet. This way, nahulog siya. So, put the box aside. Let us begin to look at it. Hopefully you can see it clearly, even if you cannot see me. So ito siya. Comes with an instructional. And how to use it. And that's it. Very stiff pa yung mechanism niya. According to a lot of people, or some complaints, I mean, that they are getting pinch pag naiipit sila dito pag ginagamit nila. So that's one of the complaints, and let's compare it sa Leatherman matte. And my daily carry sa work for the past 10 years. The multiplier 600. So I have no complaints with this one, even though if it is closer, see, closer yung handle niya, so mas prone ka maipit, but I have not been pinched. This one has a little more space. This one is different. This one is wider, but of course this is bigger. They have more, see the profile. This is it. And if you can see the matte, yung profile niya is nakaliko siya dito, and may liko din siya dito. So yung ergonomics niya, if you are holding it like this, nakaganon, naka-curve. This one is just straight, and I just want to show you kung ano yung mga items niya na nasa loob. So first and foremost nga pala, you buy this tool for the pliers and the knife and the Phillips screwdriver. So Phillips or flathead. So yun yung magiging primary reason why I buy. I thought it will be a big one, so a bigger one. So mas okay siya for daily carry. My next project will be the Surge, pero I think I will settle for this one. Kasi for everyday carry reasons, I have this one. And for example, rescue missions, especially ngayon sa Pinas, bumabagyo, you never know if you will need some tools during rescue missions. And the primary, of course, is a strong plier. You have to cut some wires, you have to cut some ropes. This one is still very dependable. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko dito is one hand opening. Especially if you're opening oxygen tanks. One notable difference between this one and these two Leathermans is the wire cutters. See, this one is shape of a triangle, so you can actually rotate it. So you have 3 sides to use, and contrary to the Leatherman, you only have one side. If it gets dull, you need to purchase another one. But I have not changed this, so in 10 years or so, it's not likely to dull this too as well, at least in my state of use. Okay, so let's fold this and see quickly kung ano yung laman. So, ito yung profile niya. Gusto ko siya kasi it looks sexy. And see, malinis yung profile niya. Like this one, may space. Even though if first one is the knife smooth with a lock. The locking mechanism. The next one will be the saw. No, not the saw. This is the serrated blade for cutting ropes, seat belts. Although I have already the shear and a safety hook open. And guys, I have used this, very effective sa seat belts and very safe. Although I cut not, hindi ako nag-cut dito sa may area ng torso. I cut dun sa may shoulders. Why? It's safer kasi in case of stress, emergencies, yung pwesto mo sa sasakyan, habang naka-lean ka dun sa tao and someone behind you, you might injure the patient, you might poke them in the face. So from the meron siya ditong near the mechanism na nagre-return. Doon ko siya pinuputol. And so this is the second one. May lock din. Problem with this saw is that it's hard to sharpen without a rod sharpener. And forgive me guys if I have not, I don't know about yung mga items na nandito. This one is according to them is a number, it's number 10. Number 10, which is wala nakalagay, just a number. It's a diamond sharpener, I think. Diamond file for sharpening knives. That is if you have an extra knives or not knives. Kasi you cannot sharpen the other blade kasi connected siya. So this one is a backup sharpener if you have another knife on you. Although it's not likely to dull this one and then dull this one in just one scenario. So meaning if you have dull both of this, most likely you are in a long-term survival scene, which has not happened to me fortunately, but for some people, for example, during the Marawi siege or during earthquakes, where you are stuck or unable to get help, and so you might dull these blades. So this has to be integrated on a system where you have other supplies than or other tools than to use this blade. So, hindi pa siya lahat na unfold. Okay. Medyo okay. Medyo makunat. Ow. Pa. So, and one of the reasons I got this is for the scissors. This has no scissors. This has no scissors. The Squirt PS4 has a scissor, but the capabilities, ito nga pala is my EDC as of now, but medyo nakukulangan ako. Medyo maliit, especially if I am working on my car. Medyo mag-iisip ka kung kaya ba nito yung job for fixing cars. Minor problems naman, pero it will susuko siya. Ito yung difference niya. Okay. I need a stronger plier for traveling. In case lang, thank God na wala namang aberya sa mga biyahe. And so, this one has scissors. Ipakita ko sa inyo. It's a decent scissors kumpara sa, see, it's di nagkakalayo yung size nila. And so the difference is that this one has no spring action. This one, let me see. Okay, has a spring action right here. Hopefully you can see it. Ito siya. Ito bar na to. Medyo stiff pa siya. So in order to fold it, you have to fold it wide open again. And may lock nga din pala siya. Here, see? It's clicking. Napakaganda nung locking mechanism niya kasi sobrang intuitive. May click siya on purpose, not just because it's a metal to metal hit, pero nakiklik talaga siya. So let's fold this and get to the other meat of the matter. Is a Phillips flathead screwdriver slash can opener. The paint can is what I mean, kasi I think it's hard to see in the video, so especially this black one. Okay, the other one, which is the reason why I got this, is this one. As you can see, I'm wearing glasses, and not most of the time, pero there are times na kailangan ko ng this tool for unscrewing this screw. See? I think you can see it. Medyo blurred. Etong white thing, it gets loose over time. And eto din, yung sa may nose bridge niya, it is attached by screw and it gets loose over time. The lens as well, it gets loose. So if you drop this at wala kang anything to twist it, it's gonna be a bad day. So this is especially made not just to keep this in, pero see, may spring mechanism pa. And the other one is a small Phillips for your gadgets. I'll just keep it to be I think it's in. Okay, that's the satisfying click. See, it's not clicking if you are on the closed position. So ito yung complaints ng iba sa black oxide. See, black na yung aking fingers. And so let's move on to the other. On a survival situation again, you have or can use this can opener, especially sa Pilipinas. Most of the cans are not are not easy open cans. One of the reasons syempre is the production cost. Kung mas makatipid yung company to do that. And of course, I can open a can using spoon. Learned that from a friend. And also you can so this is nice. So it's not opening when you are, see, it's not opening when you are on this position as a safety, I guess. So how they did that as known. So it has to be folded like this in order for you to open it. So safety feature. So very rich, feature rich tong Leatherman. So you can't open it. Yan. See? Nabuksan ko na. But if you are in this position, it does not open. I cannot open this. So I'll feature it in a feature video review. This is just an overview, by the way. So another use is, of course, this one, which is, sorry guys, this is removable bits. I have the whole set, so this one and this one for the 42 bits accessories. And guys, mabanggit ko na rin sa mga nagko-complaints na nahuhulog yung bit extender nila. I want to suggest na lagyan nyo ng rubber and then put it here. Pag nasa loob na yung Leatherman ninyo, hindi na siya basta-basta mahuhulog. Of course, on an emergency situation, you must not do this, or for example, daily carry na palaging nasa bewang nyo to, it have a tendency to fall. If it will fall, it will fall. So don't give it a chance. This is just for putting in my bag na hindi mahulog din. But I'm planning to put it in a zipped Maxpedition pouch, and then just use this alone. And whenever I have a quick use of this, nasa bewang ko lang. And the other bits, of course, you have to get it on your EDC bag. So it's a system, guys. Okay, so nakakalat ng ating Leathermans. Just move it out of the camera. So, we are on the Philips. One thing missing on here is the owl. So, the owl is used para mag-drill ka ng medyo maliit na hole, and then yung screw mo madali mo nang ibaon, unlike driving the screw na wala pang indentations. So I think that's it guys. Oh, and another thing, lastly, before we end this video, is medyo stiff pa siya, so I'll just have to play this around. See, this marks the ruler. May ruler siya for about 8 inch. So, nakaganito yung position niya. I think the other one is, yeah, centimeters. The Leatherman multiplier has, see those numbers, has 4-inch ruler as well. And the other side, centimeters. But you cannot use it on a longer platform. This one versus this one. So wait, I don't have the weight for this one. I think it's almost the same. But this one is bigger kasi marami siyang space na kinain, dead space. And for those na talking about black oxide, I love black oxide kasi hindi makintab, hindi kitang-kita. See, if it's here, it's not that hindi pansinin. This one lagay lang dito. Like for silver, let's see, this one medyo mainit sa mata, sabihin na natin. And so like back. And those who are complaining nga pala sa mga may mga complaints regarding black oxide like this one, I think it gets away over time, especially this one. Hindi na siya kumukulay sa damit or sa fingers or anything na it touches. And the color is still there. Medyo maliwanag na siya. See, medyo shiny na siya. but it's still there, unlike the silver na makintab. But I'm not working on a tactical environment right now, so oops, so can get away with silver as well. So that's it, the Leatherman Wave Plus. This is the sheet that it comes with. Almost the same as this one, except for the rubberized or garterized part on the side. Sheet is made in China. This one is US. And there is a compartment here, so you can put, for those who are, let's say, nagpa-plan na bumili or magpabili sa kanilang girlfriends or ngayong darating na Pasko. So it fits in here snugly. Medyo you have to dig it inside. Wow, this is slim profile. Medyo sobra lang dito. If you're on OCD, this not. I would love this to be just here lang sana. So, hindi siya ganun kaganda. I think this is a sheet for I think this is shit for longer. I think this is 5-inch. This is 4-inch. Let's try if this fits inside. If it's, oh, wow. I think I'll use this one for the surge as well. I'm planning to get a surge aside from the mat, which is almost the same length. Mas maiksi lang ng konti. So I think this XL size. I would have loved if this yeah, it won't go out. You know, how can I complain? Nothing will happen if I do so. So, okay. So, yun lang guys for now. Hopefully tomorrow or the next day I get the Leatherman Micra and some other items for unboxing and quick overview. I'll soon review all these items once I have enough time to use it. And this one I can review it maybe next week if I have the time, if I'm not reading. This one as well, it's still for sale, so maybe this is a 15 the multiplier is a 15-year model, so medyo matagal na siya and still going strong. I cannot recall how many times I used this, and still it almost looks as brand new, so I cannot discredit this. That's it. Please like and subscribe to my channel for future videos, and have a great day.